Good morning, class 8th student of DPS Surat. Today we are going to study Science Chapter 2 Microorganisms. The topic for today is food poisoning and preservation of food by various methods. The objective for this content taught is to give knowledge about food and how can it be preserved. So let's proceed our chapter. Microorganisms grow on food and sometimes it produces toxic substances. These substances cause various diseases. The disease caused due to presence of large number of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi in food or due to presence of toxic substance in food by action of microorganisms is called food poisoning. Now, what are the symptoms of food poisoning? The answer is the symptoms are vomiting, diarrhea, pain in abdomen, headache, and fever. Now, let's see some examples of food poisoning. The two common examples of bacteria that cause food poisoning are Salmonella and Clostridium botulinum. And the example of fungus that cause food poisoning is Aspergillus. Now let us study how we can protect food from getting spoiled. The answer for this question is we can protect food from getting spoiled by preserving it at various methods. The different methods of preserving food are as follows: sun drying, heating and cooling by refrigeration, common salt, sugar, chemicals as preservatives, pasteurization, airtight packets or boxes, oil, and vinegar. Let us study them in detail. Salts and edible oils are common chemicals generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. Sodium benzoate and sodium metabisulfate are common preservatives. They are also used in jams and squashes to check the spoilage. Common salt is used to preserve meat and fishes. Also, it is used to store amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. Then comes sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibits the growth of bacteria which spoils food. For pickles, oil and vinegar is used to prevent spoilage because bacteria cannot live in such environment. Now you must have observed your mother boiling milk, didn't you? Before it is stored or it is used, she boils milk. Why does she boil? It is because boiling kills many microorganisms. Similarly, we also keep food in refrigerator. Students, do you know what is pasteurization? Why does this milk that comes in packets does not get spoiled? It is because pasteurized milk can be consumed without boiling as it is free from harmful microbes. The milk is heated for about 700 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. By doing this, it prevents growth of microbes. This process was discovered by Louis Pasteur. It is called pasteurization. The other method is airtight packets or boxes. Dry fruits and vegetables stored in market are sealed in airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. So, these were the different methods of preserving food. So, with this video, you must be clear how food is protected from getting spoiled. Thank you.